Alright, what's up guys? I'm back. Motor Show 2018, Geneva. We're here, we're live, we're making an entry. Today, I only got 1 hour. I'm gonna see what I can see. I'm gonna take you guys with me through the journey. Most important motor show of the year. Alright, here we have it. McLaren, right next to McLaren we got Rolls Royce. It's the brand new 2018 Phantom. Whew. Man, this thing is so nice. This thing is so nice. Looks so good in person. Just taking a look at this. Oof. It's like a matte gray purplish color on the outside. Then you got, oh man, my camera. I really gotta get a new camera. Here you got the white in the middle. Oh man, this car is just, whew, this car blows me away every time. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know if I have to speak for this car. This car is can't talk to me. This car is the type of car that speaks for itself. Let's take a good look at it. You got the new headlights right there. Brand new headlights. They changed it for the 2018 model. Let's see what else is new. That's another Phantom right there. So here it is, brand new interior, Rolls Royce Phantom 2018. Now, did it change much from the last generation? We'll see right here. You got the back. It's got the pillow rest with the emblems. Okay, the feature that everybody's talking about, the one that everybody loves. This feature right here, where you can adjust your feet, make yourself even more comfortable. Now, I would get inside, but I ain't dressed normally for this. I got my jeans on. So we'll just wait for tomorrow. Come back tomorrow too. Now see, let's check out the front. Now, so what I've been told is all this front panel right here, that's all customizable. So let's say you want your child's drawing to be put there. It can be possible. You want a $100 bill to be put there. It can be possible. Man, this car can be configurable any way you want. You can change any color. You can change about anything. So, let's see what we get. Let's see what we find. So we got the brand new McLaren GTR. Not McLaren GTR. The brand new McLaren Sienna GTR right over there. We got the brand new Phantoms right here. Then over there we got the brand new Mercedes, the AMG GT sedan. But where are we gonna go to next? I don't know. We also got some type of simulation going on here. A lot of things going on. Not enough time. Only got about 30 minutes left. But man, I'm sweating. Alright, so what just happened, what I just did is I went over there. I asked if I could go see, if I could sit inside the Rolls Royce, but apparently, wearing blue jeans, so that isn't allowed. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna film and walk. I don't even know if I have to talk anymore, because most of these cars do the speaking for itself. A lot of people looking at me weird, like, oh, who's this guy talking to his phone? You know what? I'm taking a video, not just any YouTube video. Oh man, I'll check out that Bugatti. What is that, forged carbon? Is that forged carbon? Oh man, what is that, Mansory doing it again? Man, is that all forged? Look at the way, everything forged carbon here. Ooh, what do you guys think about this one? Did did Mansory kill it here? Or did they go a bit too far? Oh, y'all look at the front emblem. It's got little sparkles to it. Okay. Alright. Let's check out some of Mansory's cars. Okay. Cool. Okay. This is a Rolls Royce F-Spot was talking about, where the interior actually seems a bit yellowish, and he did not like that. But, let's see. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell here in my camera, but the car does actually, it's yellow on the outside. It's not white. Then right next to it, we got a Bentayga. Man, forged carbon everywhere, all over these cars, everywhere. They go a bit too far. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, man. Y'all like this spec? Y'all let me know. This Bugatti though, I don't know. At first glance, kind of didn't like it, but now that I take another look at it, forged carbon, man, it's pretty good. Is that forged? I don't even know what that is. Oh, what is that? Not really sure. Got some posters there if you guys want to buy. Got BMW over there, Mercedes Benz, got Pirelli, got Range Rover there. I heard about a new Range Rover with 2 doors. Not sure if that's really my style, but we'll go check it out after this. Now let's check out this McLaren right here. Not really feeling the blue interior. If it were white, now that would be something more I'd like, but I don't know. What is this? What is this? Solar Energy Technology 2018. Oh, here it is. Here it is. The moment y'all have been waiting for. Exciting car right here. The new AMG GT 4-door. The Coupe. The GT53. Alright. Now y'all take a good look at that. This car looks really good in person. Okay, so this whole new style Mercedes is bringing out. Big fan of it. See how this just like flows back. Last generation, I do believe like here kind of just cut off, kind of went more with the flow. I do believe this one's a bit wider. Not sure, but yeah. Okay, and somehow this place just gets better and better and better. And now I see where my Texan self wants to go to. Where my Texan self wants to be right now. It wants to be inside that. Y'all see that right there. Beast of a monster. Brabus. See what they've been up to. Man, y'all look at that. Imagine having this in Texas. Man, if you had this in Texas, you could run anyone over. Man, y'all look at this. Look at the size of these tires. Okay, and so this, I know many people are curious about what this is, like these little lines. So apparently I researched it up, and this, it's like if you're driving in the forest or if you're driving in some, you know, like a rugged area, this is to knock over the, well, some dude was pissed over there, I don't know. But, okay, so I was saying, so this right here, these lines, they're for making like, let's say like you're driving through the forest, they're for like pushing the branches out of the way to not scratch the paint. But isn't the whole reason of making this car, you know, to make it off-road and all that? I don't know. But I do like the design. Now let's move on. Let's see what Brabus has. Okay, so this is Brabus G Wagon. Their famous huge hood vent. Set over there. Oh, this is a Brabus lunch. Wasn't invited to that. Kind of sad. Let's move on. Oh man, alright. Nice car here. We got the Maybach S650. Nice car. Just gonna give a quick walk around about this car. Long wheelbase. I don't know why, but every time I look at this car, Rick Ross. Always. Now, let's see, man. I don't really know what to do. I'm just walking around. I'm talking. I don't really know what to show you guys. But okay. Brabus, all Brabus right here. Man, nothing too exciting in Brabus. I do believe that 4x4 over there, they had shown it somewhere else before. Not sure where, but I had seen it online. Alright, let's check it out. V6F type? Don't know. No, I'm kidding. This ain't no V6F. This is an SVR, baby. Alright, let's make our way to the 2-door Range Rover. Where is it? I don't know. I'm looking for it. is this? What's this? What's this right here? Oh, okay. Liberty Walk. Man, these guys always go all out on their cars. Oh, not a huge fan, but all right. Let's see now. Where's the two-door Range Rover? Oh, if I'm correct, it's in the back. You can go check it out.